Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to fix Instagram incorrect password problem on iOS 18. So the first method is to update or reinstall Instagram. So what you have to do, go to App Store and search Instagram, and if there are any update available, simply update it. Tap on update and update it. Now the second method is to reinstall Instagram. Long press on Instagram app icon and tap on remove app. Confirm by tapping delete app and then download it again from App Store. The second method is, if you have enabled any VPN, simply disable it. Go to settings and check VPN status. From settings, check VPN status, and if there are any VPN available, simply what you have to do, uh, simply turn off VPN. Now the third method is to recover your Instagram password. Open Instagram. Now what you have to do, tap on forget password. Type your password and tap on forgot password, and after tapping on it, what you have to do, you have to simply recover your password. That's it. Thanks for watching.